Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a home staging business with StagedHomes, beginner guide step by step clearly. Research the home staging industry to understand its dynamics and potential. Familiarize yourself with key terms and concepts related to home staging. Analyze your local market to identify demand for home staging services. Evaluate your competition to see what services they offer and their pricing. Define your niche within the home staging market. Create a business plan outlining your goals, target audience, and budget. Decide on a business structure, such as sole proprietorship or LLC. Register your business name and acquire necessary licenses or permits. Open a dedicated business bank account to separate personal and business finances. Set up a website to showcase your services and portfolio. Connect with local real estate agents to build relationships. Attend home staging workshops and certifications, like those offered by StagedHomes. Invest in essential home staging supplies and inventory, such as furniture and decor. Develop your staging style to build a unique brand identity. Take before and after photos of your staging projects for marketing purposes. Establish a pricing strategy based on your market research and expenses. Promote your business through social media and online advertising. Join relevant industry associations to network and learn from others. Offer discounts or packages to attract initial clients. Gather testimonials from satisfied customers to build credibility. Continuously seek feedback to improve your services. Stay updated on industry trends to keep your skills relevant. Maintain good relationships with clients for potential referrals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.